welcome back to my channel. Here is another one of my Halloween looks. Today I am Wednesday Addams. And this is a throwback to last year when I released the Addams Family theme song. And I was Wednesday Addams. I thought, why not bring her back and just show you a quick tutorial how I put this look together. It is very simple, it is very easy. There's a couple of steps I actually forgot to show on camera because I'm an idiot. But I'll just tell you about them now. After I did this look, I set it with translucent powder. And then I just contoured my jawline. And I did not show that on camera. And that is my bad. So, oops. If you want to check out my version of the Addams Family theme song, I'll be linking that in the description. And I still have limited edition Halloween merch available. So check that out while supplies last. It won't be around forever. It's feeling a bit dry, so I used Ever Luminous Nutrient Rich Cleansing Balm. And I love this stuff because I have dry skin and this helps so much. At this point, I decided to go with the whole regimen and used Ever Reveal Biomimetic Peel Pads, which is very similar to a toner. It kind of tingles a little bit, but I let that dry before putting on Ever Canvas Priming Moisturizer SPF 30, and you can't forget to put that on your neck. My Shiseido foundation in Alabaster and applied that on my face. I then took a flat brush and started brushing the product all over my face, trying my best to make it look as natural as possible, but like I said before, using this light of a foundation is almost impossible to look natural. I then took it down to my neck to really make things look more seamless. I used my Shiseido concealer and I applied it under my eyes. I then used a brush to brush it in under my eyes and on top of my eyelids. I took that same brush and started brushing in the foundation to really blend everything. I then started blending all the foundation on my neck. I used some more concealer to hide some of my acne spots and then used the same brush to blend in the concealer. My lips were a bit dry, so I used my Skull chapstick, which I think is perfect for Halloween. I used my Ever Eye and Cheek palette. I applied Precious Eye all over my lid and brought that all the way up to my eyebrow. I used the shade Hypnotic Eye and brought that on top of my lid. I also applied it under my lid to give the appearance that I had dark circles. I wasn't getting the effect that I wanted, so I ended up applying that a few more times until I ultimately went with the color Chic Eye. Chic Eye is a much darker color, and I was really happy how this turned out. I applied that on top of my lid and also brought it under my eye to really emphasize the dark circles that I was making for myself. And I played around with this on both eyes until I was 100% satisfied. I used a small brush to apply Boss Cheek to really emphasize the contour that I was making for myself and give that sunk in look appearance. I didn't like how that turned out, so I grabbed my normal contour brush and buffed that out to give myself a nice contour that I was happy with. I grabbed my Lancome mascara and applied it to my top eyelashes only. I think this gives the illusion of having bigger eyes. I then took my eyebrow brush and used the Kat Von D palette that no longer exists. I said in a previous video that this palette is very old. But I mixed the brown and black shade to really make my eyebrows pop and look much more darker than they actually are. My lips were still feeling really dry, so I took Dr. Paw Paw All Natural Scrub and Balm and applied that all on my lips. I really like this because it's a 2-in-1. It's the scrub and it's also the balm. For lips, I used Kylie Cosmetic Lip Kits in One Wish. I was trying to achieve that pale lip look, so I think this was the wrong color to use. All I had to do next was braid my hair. I actually had help from my mom, and I felt like a little girl again when she was braiding my pigtails. So this is my makeup look for Wednesday Addams. It's super simple, and I hope you enjoyed it.
together, ookie, the Addams family. Their house is a museum where people come to see them. They really are a scream, the Addams family.
Neat. Sweet.
So get your witch shawl on, a broomstick you can crawl on. We're gonna pay a call on the Addams family.
And that's how you create Wednesday Addams. Super easy, one of the easiest, most fun, creepy looks that you can get with minimal time and effort putting into it. All you really need is a lighter foundation, and then you can just use the rest of your makeup that you already have. I remember last year when I wore this costume out, me and my brother Will went to a club and everyone thought I was a nun or a witch. No one guessed Wednesday Addams. So apparently the younger generation isn't familiar with the Addams family. I grew up on the movie. I don't know how my brother didn't even know who the Addams family was. So, kids these days, all right? And I was really shocked because they came out with a cartoon last year of the Addams family. So I was like, everyone's gonna know this. Perfect timing. But no, no one in their like early 20s knows what the Addams family is. And if you're in your early 20s, late teens, early 20s, and you know what the Addams family is, prove me wrong in the comments. I want to know and I want to hear it from you. Anyways, I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell if you want to get updates on when I upload my next video. If you're feeling a little adventurous, drop a comment below. I love talking to each and every one of you. Okay, friends, till next time. I'm so awkward.
They're creepy and they're kooky, mysterious and spooky. They're all together, ookie, the Addams family. Their house is a museum where people come to see them. They really are a scream, the Addams family.